Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today, ito ang super lucky day natin. Alam nyo tong ano na to? 0.5 na light na ganyan. Meron tayo guys. Look at that. Ako ang the best na YouTuber sa buong mundo. Hindi tayo gumagamit ng Robux, pero magaling tayo. Look at that bro. Nakakuha ka niyan. Dami. Papainggit natin to guys. Let's go. Tignan natin kung gano'ng mga reaksyon ng mga tao dito. Guys, syempre, hindi tayo gagaling kung wala tayong song. Guys, super lucky tayo. Kahit wala tayong fox, guys. At saka yung Manic Octopus. Wala tayong Manic Octopus kasi na-scam tayo. Ay, yung pinakita ko sa inyo sa next episode ba yun? Pero yaan nyo na. Beno. Open natin song mamaya. Kahit hindi na guys, no? Look at this. Halika dito. This is the light on. Hindi niya yata alam to I got it guys. Yung pinaka-legend sa buong mundo. My God guys, saan kaya natin nilalagay ito, no? Hip-hop, ito. Nakikita mo to, pre? Uy, pre! Ano ka ba? Ito, nakikita mo to? Ha? Ayan, super light, guys. Super lucky day talaga. Guys, ito pala yung natin, wala na tayo song, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Sorry, pero hindi ko muna stop, syempre, no? Wait lang, guys, open the song. Siyempre guys, ang galing ng natin, no? Secret way, no Robux, no cheating. Guys, kung nanonood neto si Jandel, like and subscribe to me, Jandel. Research nyo na yung Mona Lisa Antiporta. Okay, kung si Jandel to, kailangan mag-English. Hello Jandel, I'm super lucky today because look at me, I have and I don't know what is this, Jandel. Just read him, okay? This 0.5. I'm so super lucky, Jandel, right? Thank you and like and subscribe. Jandel, Do you not like this, Jandel? Do you not like this? Just watch and learn. I'm not cheating. I don't have Robux, but I got in my pangarap. Guys, you need to copy me. No cheating, no Robux. Jandel, you need to upgrade your grow a garden. I want no Robux. Only money. Skip money. That one. And guys, eto pala. Tagalog tayo. And eto pala guys, no? Ganyan ang nakuha natin. Grabe. Pero hindi pa natin nakukuha to Pero malapit na rin. Magkaano. Guys, antayin niyo yung part 2 na mag-grown to. Bye-bye! See you tomorrow! Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.